Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Venus EduTech. Today we move on to the fourth type of coding and decoding. So let's get into the video.
In the fourth type of coding and decoding, they will give you some words and codes and are not written in the correct order. You have to find the correct code for each word. We can have a look into the questions, and the first question is, in a certain code language, ban all animal products is written as TPFMAXBZ. Animal hunting is wrong is written as KEHWTPCU. All are wrong answers is written as DYNIBZHW. Products are well known is written as FMGRSLDY. All codes are two-letter codes only. And they will give you 5 questions based on those coding. Before answering those questions, your first job is to find the correct code for each word, because they are not given in the correct order. For that, I have just rewritten those words and codes. And if you look carefully, you can see that the word all is written in the first line and in the third line, right? That means there is a code same in both the first line and in the third line. And which is that code? In the first line the codes are TPFMAXBZ, and in the third line the codes are DYNIBZ and HW. That means BZ is there in the third line and it is also present in the first line as well, right? That means the code for all is BZ. So we got the code for all and it is BZ. Now in the first line there is a word animal which is present in the second line as well, right? So that means there is a code which is similar in the first line and in the second line. And which is that code? TP, because TP is present in the first line and it is present in the second line as well. So the code for animal, it is TP. Now the word products is present in the first line and in the fourth line as well, right? That means there is a code which is same in the first line and in the fourth line. And which is that code? That code is FM, right? So the code for products, it is FM. So now in the first line we know the codes for all animal and products, right? So the remaining word is ban. Therefore we can say that the remaining code in the first line is AX. So the code for ban will be AX. Now when you look carefully, it can be seen that the word wrong is present in both the second line and in the third line. That means there will be a code which is same in the second line and in the third line. And which is that code? HW, because HW is present in both the second line and in the third line. So the code for wrong is HW. In the third line and in the fourth line, we can see that the word R is present. That means there is a code which is similar in the third line and in the fourth line. And which is that code? DYNI and GRSLDY. That means DY is present. That means the code for R is DY. So the code for R is DY. So in the third line we got the codes for all, R and wrong. So the remaining word is answers. So the remaining code in the third line will be NI. And therefore we can say that the code for answers is NI. Now the remaining words are hunting and is in the second line and well and non in the fourth line. So from the second line it is understood that the code for hunting is either KE or CU. Similarly the code for is either KE or CU, because we cannot determine accurately which is the code for hunting and is, right? That is, hunting can be written as KE or CU and is also can be written as KE or CU. Similarly in the fourth line well and non, we do not know the actual code for well and non. So we can write the code for well is either GR or SL, and the code for non is also either GR or SL. So the codes for both well and non are either GR or SL. Now we can go to the questions. The first question is, what does the code SL stand for in the given code language? So what does the code SL stand for? SL means either well or non. So either well or none is the answer. Now the second question, what will be the possible code for wrong products received in the given code language? We know the code for wrong and products, and received is the word which is from outside. It is not given in our question. For wrong it is HW and for products it is FM. So the code for wrong it is HW and the code for products is FM. And for received we do not know because the word received is not given in our question. So choose the option which consists of code from outside. That means that code should not be the given codes. Okay. That's why I put dash here, because choose the code which is from outside. For example, you can choose ZU. What is in the option that you have to choose. For example, I am writing here ZU now because ZU is the code which is not given in our question. Understood? Now going to the third question. In the given code language, if busy is coded as OT, then how will is busy hunting be coded as? So here it is given that busy can be coded as OT. Then is busy hunting. We know the codes for is and hunting. Busy they given already, that is OT. So what is the code for is and what is the code for hunting? We got the codes for both is and hunting are the same. That is either KE or CU. Understood? So the required codes are OT, KE, CU. For busy it is OT and for is and hunting the codes are same. That is either KE or CU. So the codes must be OT, KE and CU. The codes, it can be of any order. OT, KE, CU can be written as KE, CU, OT or KE, OT, CU. But the codes should be OT, KE and CU. Next question, what will be the code for animal in the given code language? So what is the code for animal? It is TP. So TP is the answer. And the fifth question, what is the code for all in the given code language? We got the code for all and it is BZ. So BZ is the code for all. Going to the second question, in a certain code language, urban people prefer cars is written as VE, FM, AB, EG. Profit for urban areas is written as AB, EP, ZI, SO. People demand for hike is written as ZI, QR, CD, VE. Hike in profit margin is written as AL, JN, EP, CD. All codes are two-letter codes only. So I have just rewritten those words and codes. Now, when you look the word urban, it is found in the first line and in the second line. Right? That means there is a code which is same in the first line and in the second line. And which is that code? VE, FM, AB, EG in the first line and AB, EP, ZI, SO in the second line. That means AB is same in the first line, is present in the first line and in the second line. That means the code for urban is AB. So we got the code for urban and it is AB. Now when you look the word people, it is found in the first line and in the third line. That means a code which is same is present in the first line and in the third line. And which is that code? VE, FM, EG in the first line, AB we already taken and that is the code for urban. And among VE, FM, EG which is the code present in the third line, ZI, QR, CD, VE. VE is present in both the first line and in the second line. That means VE is the code for people, or people can be coded as VE. So we can write the code for people and it is VE. Now the words prefer and cards are not present in any of the remaining three lines. That means prefer and cards have the codes FM and EG. Prefer can be coded as FM or EG and cards can also be coded as either FM or EG. So prefer can be coded as either FM or EG. Cards can also be coded as either FM or EG. Now in the second line, when you look the word profit, it is present in the fourth line also. So profit is present in both the second line and fourth line. That means there is a code which is similar is present in the second line and in the fourth line. And which is that code? EP, ZI, SO are the codes in the second line. AB we already taken and it is the code for urban. And in the fourth line, it is AL, JN, EP, ZD. That means EP is present in both the fourth line and in the second line. That means it is the code for profit. So profit can be coded as EP. Now when you look the word for, it is present in the second line and also in the third line. That means there is a code which is similar in second line and in the third line. And which is that code? ZI and SO are the remaining codes in the second line, because AB and EP we already taken the codes, because AB is the code for urban and EP is the code for profit. And in the third line it is ZI, QR, CD. That means ZI is present in both the second line and in the third line. That means it is the code for the word for. So 4 can be coded as ZI. In the second line, now the only word remaining is areas, and the only code which is remaining in the second line is SO. That means the code for areas is SO. Now in the third line and in the fourth line, the word hike is present. That means one code is present in the third line which is same as that in the fourth line. And which is that code? In the third line the remaining codes are QR and CD, and in the fourth line the remaining codes are AL, JN and CD, because EP is taken as the code for profit, ZI in the third line is taken as the code for, and BE is taken as the code for people. And among this QR and CD in the third line and AL, JN and CD in the fourth line, which is the code, one code that is similar, CD. That means the code for hike is CD. So hike can be coded as CD. Now the only word remaining in the third line is demand. So the only code remaining in the third line is QR. That means the code for demand is QR. Now there are only two words remaining, and they are present in the fourth line, and the words are in and margin. And there are only two codes remaining, and that too in the fourth line, and which are the codes AL and JN. That means the code for in is either AL or JN, and the code for margin is also either AL or JN. So we got the codes for each word. Now we can answer the questions. First question, what will be the possible code for urban food demand in the given code language? We know the codes for urban and demand. For urban it is AB and for demand it is QR. And there is no word called food present in our question. So for urban we can write AB, for demand we can write QR, and food we don't know the code. So choose the option which having the code from outside, that is not present in any of these words. For example, here I am writing CR because CR is not the code for any of the words given in this particular question. Next question, what is the code for areas in the given code language? So what is the code for areas? It is SO. So SO is the answer. Third question, what does the code JN stand for in the given code language? We are not sure what is the correct exact code for JN, because JN is the code for in and maybe it is for margin. So either in or it is margin. So the code JN stand for either in or margin. Next question, in the given code language, if small is coded as WY, then how will prefer small codes be coded as? From the data we found, the code for prefer and cars is the same, that is either FM or EG. We are not sure because prefer means FM or EG, cars also mean FM or EG. So prefer and cars, the codes are either FM or EG. So the answer is FM, EG, WY, because small it is WY given in the question, and for prefer and cars we found that it is either FM or EG. Next question, what will be the code for hike in the given code language? In the given code language, hike is coded as CD, right? So the code for hike it is CD. Going to the workout questions. First one, in a certain code language, economic growth slows down is written as CN, FA, MS, TE. Growth of developing country is written as GI, TE, KU, HO. Developing economic conditions agenda is written as MS, BP, HO, JE. And conditions like downtrend is written as KX, CN, DR, BP. All codes are two-letter codes only. First question, if slows developing risk is coded as HO, FA, ZY in the given code language, then how will economic risk down be coded as? Second question, what is the code for conditions of country in the given code language? Third question, which of the following may represent the code growth improve in the given code language? Fourth question, in the given code language, what does the code KX stand for? And the fifth question, what is the code for agenda in the given code language? Second workout question, in a certain code language, KILABXTU codes for must, adapt and change. GMTUDRLA codes for change a must here. FNBXMSDR codes for here to adapt better. CXQAFNRM codes for little better than nothing. All the codes are 2-letter codes only. First question, what is the code for little in the given code language? Second question, what does GM stand for? Third question, if must bring change is written as OPLATU, then how will bring peace here be possibly coded in the given code language? Fourth question, code for which of the following cannot be definitely known? Than, and, adapt, here, to. Fifth question, which of the following may represent better and improved in the given code language? The third workout question is, in a certain code language, globes are found there is written as VG, XA, ZE, CO. Two pairs of globes is written as SH, YE, TI, XA. Found two new friends is written as WD, VG, NU, SH. All packets are new is written as OM, CO, NU, QK. All codes are 2-letter codes only. First question, what does the code TI stand for in the given code language? Second question, what will be the code for found in the given code language? Third question, what is the code for R in the given code language? Fourth question, what will be the possible code for new writer globes in the given code language? And the fifth question, in the given code language, if blue is coded as AF, then how will all blue packets be coded as? This type is repeatedly asking in exams. Solve all these 3 workout questions by setting a timer for about 5 to 6 minutes, because once you solve these questions within that time limit, you will be confident, or you will get confidence in solving more problems.
I will give you the solutions in the next video. Also will explain the next type, that is fifth type of coding and decoding. If you like my channel, do support me by subscribing the channel and sharing it with your friends. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.